Hello my dear students. In today's video, we will discuss about how to find out the rational number which is lying between any two rational number. Fine. So there are multiple ways to find out we will select the easiest way or the easiest method to find out any rational number which is lying between two rational number. So before that, do you know there are infinite rational number between any two rational number? So sometime it may ask you find two rational number, five rational number, 10 rational number, sometime 100 rational number between the given rational number. So let's get started. So if you are talking about find one rational number which is lying between two rational numbers, so let's take one example. Suppose you are talking about one rational number a, suppose it is given 1 by 2, and b, suppose it is given 1 by 3, and it is asking you find one rational number which is lying between this two rational number. So the example is 1 by 2. So if you say find one rational number, suppose you want to find out only one rational number, then the formula is, students, a plus b by 2. If you want to find out my a is 1 by 2 and plus b is 1 by 3 by 2. So now what is the LCM of 2 and 3? That is 6. Then 6 divided by 2 is 3, 3 into 1 is 3, plus 6 divided by 3 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2, then divided by 2. Then 3 plus 2 is 5 by 6, and this is what? Division by 2. Now you know that division, if you want to convert it into multiplication, then what will happen? This will become reciprocal, 2 will become reciprocal. So 5 by 6 into 1 by 2, which is coming how much, students? 5 by 6. 5 into 1 is 5, 6 into 2 is 12. So my rational number is 5 by 12. If I want to find out the rational number between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, there is one rational number which is 5 by 12. That's how we can find it out, the rational number. But here it is find out 5 rational number between this 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Then how can you do that? There is a formula. So let's see, you find 5 rational number between these two rational number. So Q1 is the formula, you note down, half into a plus b. So if you find out Q1, then half into a plus b. Suppose you want to find out Q2, then what is the formula? Half into Q1, whatever you will get, Q1 plus b. Then Q3, if you want to find out, half into Q2 plus b. Then if you want to find out Q4, then half into Q3 plus b. Then Q4 if you want to find out, Q5 if you want to find out, half into Q4 plus b. Then likewise, if you want to find out Q5, Q6, Q10, then you can do. So this is the formula. Now we will use this formula and we will find out 5 rational number which is lying between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Q1 is equals to half into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So how much it is coming, students? 1 by 2 into what is the LCM of 2 and 3? That is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3, plus 6 divided by 3 is 2. So we got half into 5 by 6, which is coming 5 by 12. This is my first rational number. Then let us find out second rational number, Q2. What will happen? The formula is half into a. Instead of a, what can you take? Q1. Q1 is how much, students? Q1 is 5 by 12 plus 1 by 3. Then half into 12 and 3 LCM is how much? 12 and 3 LCM. If you want to find out, you can say 3 and 12, 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja, then 3 into 1 into 4 is how much, students? 3 into 1 is 3, into 4 is 12. I got the LCM here, 12. So 12 divided by 12 is 1, 1 into 5 is 5, plus 12 divided by 3 is 4, 4 into 1 is 4. So now half into 5 plus 4 is 9 by 12. So 9 1 ja 9, 12 2 ja 24. My second rational number Q2 I got 9 by 24. Fine. Likewise, you can find out Q3. That is what? Half into Q2. Q2 value is 9 by 24 plus 1 by 3. Now 1 by 2 into what is the LCM of 24 and 3? That is 24 only. Then fine. What is the LCM of 24 and 3? That is 24. LCM divided by 24 is 1. 1 into 9 is 9. Plus 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 into 1 is 8. So half into 8 plus 9, 17 by 24. So 17 1 just 17 by 48. Similarly, students, you can find out Q4, you can find out Q5. Okay, fine. I hope you understood and you can do that. Now I will give you one question. Please do that, solve this question and write the answer in the comment below. Your homework is find the rational number between 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. Find the rational number between 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. How many you have to find out? 5 rational number. You have to find out 5 rational number. So